G'day, Josh Keegan, and welcome to Technology, Science and Wonder Down Under, a completely new segment for my YouTube channel. I can hear you right now asking, why do this? And the answer always is really simple. Australia has been behind and is still behind some of the biggest technological and scientific discoveries that has forever changed the face of the world. Don't believe me? Well, let's take a couple of minutes and let me highlight just a couple of inventions that have origins right here in Australia, such as the black box flight recorder, invented by Dr. David Warren in 1953. It's actually bright orange, so it can be easily found after a crash, captures all the data in the last moments of any aircraft. Believe it or not, the flight recorder provides vital data of what happens inside the aircraft prior to the crash to assist both investigators with what happened and the airline industry on how to prevent the accident from happening again. Google Maps. Danish brothers Lars and Jens Rasmussen developed the platform for Google Maps in Sydney in the early 2000s. In 2003, with a couple of other Aussie blokes, Noel Gordon and Stephen Maher, the four of them founded a small company called Where2 Technologies in 2003. In 2004, it was bought by Google, who also smartly hired all four men to turn it into Google Maps we know and love today. The electric drill, or power drill. An Australian electrical engineer, Arthur James Arnott, patented the world's first electrical drill with his colleague William Bryan in 1889 in Melbourne. The original design was to drill rock and dig coal. In terms of design, it really wasn't that great, but immediately changed the world for those who were mining by hand, making everything much, much easier. Inflatable, escape slide and raft. In 1965, Jack Grant, an employee of Qantas, invented an inflatable aircraft escape slide which could then be detached and used as a raft. This key invention is now mandatory on every aircraft and has since changed the aviation industry. Sprayon Skin. Developed in 1999 by a plastic surgeon in Perth, Professor Fiona Wood, patented a spray-on skin. Spray-on skin uses a person's healthy skin to grow new skin cells in a lab, significantly reducing the recovery time and scarring for the victim. So there you have it. Australia has been behind some of the most amazing inventions that have changed the world for the better. The intent behind this new segment is to shine a light on new discoveries and highlight our history in the amazing world of science and technology and that wonder that comes from down under.